Okay, today we're gonna do, I guess, a way to filter one of these little small space heaters because they catch a lot of lint around the little heating element in here, and sometimes it could cause a fire. So a lot of time people end up throwing these little heaters away after the fan just starts slowing down from the lint and the dirt that has clogged up the little fan in there. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make me a filter for this little heater, and that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna do each step, and as my assistant record me. So I'm not gonna be talking all the time while I'm doing the modification and putting the filter on the back, but you can see what I'm doing as I go along. First thing I'm gonna do is drill some little pilot holes on the side of this heater, so I can put some zip ties through each side, and it's gonna secure my filter, which I'm gonna cut to size, and then I'm gonna put it right on the back here. Then I'm gonna trim it out and make it look kind of neat and nice. Okay, put my drill bit in, drill on the side, and I drill it kind of right on the side, each side right here, so I can push my just enough to push your zip tie through, wide enough to put the zip tie through. Okay, next I'm going to push the zip tie through. Let me see, that wide enough? I got to push it through. Maybe I can go through this way. Let's see. I need to widen my hole a little bit more. I could use some needle nose pliers or something. I'm gonna try to pull it through with these scissors to angle it through. I might have to go get my needle nose pliers. Okay, I'm gonna have to go get my needle nose pliers.
You want me to stop it?
Keep going if you want. Okay, leave it hanging there. That side. I might have to edit that anyway. And Okay, I have my 2 zip ties through the housing, and now I'm gonna cut out my filter. So just kind of cut it a little bit larger than the circle. Put some holes on each side. To put the zip ties through. Secure it on one side. Might have to put your finger through there to kind of feel for that hole you put in there. And then you pull it through, zip tie it. Almost finished. So then now, your filter on there. Then you get your scissors and cut off your excess on your zip ties. And you can always, each time you change the filter on this or clean it, you can just cut these zip ties off and put you some new zip ties. It's worth it, because if not, you'd be paying $15 to $20 for a new fan each time. But you can just, and this is the leftover filter that I had for my furnace, and I didn't have to use it all because it was cut to size filter. And so instead of throwing it away, I'm utilizing it. There you go. There's your filter. Now I'm going to plug it up and see how it works. There you go, it's filtered, still putting out heat, blowing pretty good. I don't have to worry about all the dust and pet hair and dandruff coming through there, clogging up the fan and the coil in there. So this is a modification I came up with, but you can do this at your own risk, and I'm not responsible for anything that happens, but it works for me, and it's up to you if you want to try this.